Hi, my name's Sally. I'm from the Performance Partnership, an LP training company, and I have had the privilege and pleasure of spending the last 3 days on the Business Mastery and Marketing Academy with Jess and James and James Nicholson. Oh my gosh, what an amazing event. Super energy in the room, everybody buzzing, everybody really working on their businesses. It was a pleasure to be involved in that environment. More though, to learn and use the skills that both Jason and James shared with us, and also to be able to finally get my head around social media and also the power of Facebook. I think my world's going to change dramatically from tomorrow when I start implementing into the business. So watch out because there's going to be some new skills coming through and also some new content from the Performance Partnership thanks to these two boys. So yep, great stuff. Really enjoyed the 3 days and look forward to being able to tell you how it goes. I'm sure you'll see for yourselves anyway, but telling you how it goes over the next month or so.